Hi students, 12th standard accountancy, chapter 2, exercise sum number 18. How will the following appears in the final accounts of Karaikudi Sports Club for the year ended 31st March 2019? Let's read the given particulars. Tournament fund on 1st April 2018. So listen here, tournament fund. So what kind of accounts they have given here? They have given fund. If they given the word fund, it is an capital item. So the fund related transaction will not appear on income and expenditure account. Why? Because income and expenditure account, the items will be appear only day to day transaction. Okay. So the capital related items, tournament fund, sports fund, match fund and capital fund, these are called as, this item is called as capital fund. It will not appear on income and expenditure account. So where will be it will be appear? It will be appear on liability side and asset side of the balance sheet. Okay. So let's read the given particulars. Tournament fund on 1st April 2018 is 90,000 rupees. So it's a opening balance. 1/4 April means 4. 2018 means this is the opening balance of the tournament fund. Okay. So the opening balance of the tournament fund will be appear on liability side. Then so for balance sheet we have to prepare the balance sheet. The heading is balance sheet of Karaikudi Sports Club as on 31st March 2019. Liabilities 2 amount column is prepared here because on liability side we have the calculations, okay, and asset rupees, okay. So listen, tournament fund 1/4/2018 means this is the opening balance of the tournament fund. So opening balance of the tournament fund will be appear on liability side, okay. So tournament fund 90,000 rupees entered. Then tournament fund investment on 1st April 2018 90,000 rupees. Listen, on the same date tournament fund 90,000 rupees they have invested on the same date, same amount, okay. So tournament fund investment means what? Investment is an asset item. So it will be appear on asset side. So on asset side you have to write tournament fund investment 90,000 rupees. Okay. Then interest received on tournament fund investment 9,000 rupees. Then from that investment, tournament fund investment, from that investment they received interest. So they received income. So income, they received income from the fund, right? So you have to add that income with the fund on liability side of the balance sheet. So listen, so you received interest from the fund, okay. So you have to add, as per the format, you have to add the interest received tournament fund investment 9,000 rupees on liability side with the tournament fund, okay. Listen here, they have given income related fund should be added to the fund account, okay, on liability side of the balance sheet, okay. So here you received interest on tournament fund. So you have to add that income with tournament fund on liability side. Then donation to tournament fund 10,000 rupees. So you received donation from the tournament fund. Okay. So you received donation means income. You received income from the fund. So what you have to do, as per the format, you have to add the donation with the fund, okay, with the fund item on liability side, okay. So on liability side you have to add donation to tournament fund 10,000 rupees with the tournament fund, okay. Then tournament expenses 60,000 rupees. Listen carefully, if you add the income, if you add the income items from the tournament with the tournament fund, okay, on the same way you have to subtract the expenses from the tournament fund. Okay, on liability side, whenever you receive the income, you have to add that income with that fund account on liability side of the balance sheet. On the same way, whenever you made expenses, you have to subtract that expenses from the fund, from the specific fund item on liability side of the balance sheet. Okay, here you made expenses, tournament expenses. So what you have to do, you have to subtract that expenses with the specific fund item on the liability side of the balance sheet. So you have to subtract less tournament fund expenses 60,000 rupees from the specific fund item. Okay, so for that you have to add 90,000 plus 9,000, you will get 99,000. Then you have to add the 10,000, you will get 1,09,000. Then you have to subtract tournament expenses 60,000 rupees, you will get 49,000. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Thank you. Take care. Please subscribe my channel.